Hi, good morning, good afternoon, ladies. My name is Sharon Adundo. I'm the founder of Financial Hikers Group. Today, I'd like to touch base with you one more time. I'm in the office. My network is not all that good, so I decided to record a short video. I would like to welcome new members to the group. This group is majorly about helping women understand the importance of monitoring what comes our way, the importance of mastering how to take care of money. Yes, we all use money. I always say we use it regardless. We use it whether we like it or not. This is one area that we cannot assume because it's very important in our life. And in life, we are all blessed in different ways. Our pockets are never the same. We all have those who are getting more money in their lives and those who are getting nothing. But the main thing that bridges us is the essence that the money is needed by all of us. So I thought it's wise to empower women to give back to the community, at least so that we can learn the simple basics to be somebody. I know most of us say, oh, I'm a house mom, I'm a housewife, or I'm getting little money. Money will never be enough. So this forum is to help us learn to use money. And how do we learn to use money? We always have to plan, we always have to budget. Even if you have a shilling or a dollar, you have to plan with it. We don't have any shortcuts. Money is all about figures. Money is all about numbers reflection. And when you shy away from writing it down, it's like you're running away from your problems. This is what we need to learn to face. We need to learn to face our fear. So I would like us to learn to plan. Learn to plan with what you have. Do not say that I'm waiting till maybe I hit a jackpot. Hey, few people do that, hit a jackpot. We all eat our sweat. So lucky are the people who don't struggle to get money coming their way, but most of us here, I know, we struggle to eat what we work for. So learn to do something. Learn to do something with your time. Always be open to new opportunities. Sometimes we tend to concentrate so much, and we'll emphasize this many times. We try to focus on what we really wanted in life, but sometimes it doesn't come that easily. We have to go through other hurdles before we get exactly what we needed. So be open to new opportunities that come your way. Another thing, do not give up. No road is smooth in life. Do not give up. Reason why I'm saying this is we all experience hardship in different times. The good thing is that not everybody experience hardship the same time or have the same hardship the same time. We all struggle with different hardship. So know that you're not alone in the struggle. I talk with so many people. I receive a lot of inboxes. Sometimes you find like I feel I'm having it worse, but till I listen to somebody else, then I learn to appreciate and just say, God, I need to calm down. I need to focus. I need to appreciate myself. I need to learn to say thanks, because we all suffer in different ways. Sometimes we tend to focus on our own personal problems without even thinking to pause and say thank you. But we need to learn to say thank you for the little progress that we have. Finally, it's end month. It's end month, budgeting time. That's the time we need to write our expenses. If you are responsible for paying your bills, this is the time I would like you to get a book. Again, write down all your expenses, write down their due dates. End month reminder is the sad part if we don't have anything to take care of the bills, but always write it. I always say that our wishes will come true if we work on them. It's like our dreams. You dream about something, but if you consistently work on it, it materializes. So get a pen and paper. It's end month. Let's do it again. It's January 2018. If you've never tried it before, this is the time I would like to invite you to start writing down your monthly budget. Write down your monthly budget. On the side, we also emphasize daily spending tracking, whereby you write each and every day what you spend. Let's say today you buy some candy, snack time. You bought maybe some shopping for the house, your bus fare. At the end of the day, you total up how much you spent and what you bought. Then maybe by the end of the week or by the end of the day, you evaluate, was it worth it or not? So that's the discipline that we have to learn. Do not wait in order to maybe one day you're hoping you receive a lot of money before you start planning. Remember, you have to learn to know how to manage what you have before you are blessed with a bigger portion, because there is no way you'll receive a bigger portion if you don't know how to manage the little portion that you're getting. Till then, I would like to wish everyone a wonderful week. Thanks, and let's continue sharing. Thank you.